Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12S Pro, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and right now we are in the standard photo mode, so we have to switch to the video one. Let's tap on the video, and if you can see this red dot inside the shutter button, for sure you're in the video mode. Now we can enter the settings or simply unroll the top bar just by tapping on the three bars icon, and as you can see, two of those bars are connected with the resolution. The first one, resolution itself, and here we've got the frames per second. So right now we've got 1080p option applied. You can pick 8 or 4K or 720p. It's up to you, of course. So if you want to change the resolution, just tap on the option like to use, and then you can also customize the frames per second if you want to. Whenever the option is highlighted, it means that it has been immediately applied, so from now on your device will simply record videos in chosen resolution. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your Xiaomi 12S Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.